In this video, you'll learn how to hire a cleaner on Taskrabbit. By following these steps, you will successfully find and book a cleaning service tailored to your needs. Start by logging into your Taskrabbit account, navigate to the website and locate the login option typically found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you encounter any issues, ensure that your username and password are entered correctly before proceeding. Next, you will search for a service. In the search bar prominently displayed on the homepage, type cleaning and press enter. A list of relevant services will appear. Select the cleaning option from the results to continue with your request. After that, enter your location. You will need to provide the address, zip code, or city where the cleaning service is required. As you enter this information, a confirmation message will appear indicating whether Taskrabbit services are available in your area. Ensure this confirmation is visible before moving forward. Now, fill in the task details. You will encounter a series of questions that need your input. Specify the type of cleaning you need, such as standard deep clean or move in, move out. Indicate the size of your space by entering the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Additionally, mention any specific areas or items that require special attention, along with the frequency of cleaning, whether it is a one-time service or recurring. You may also select any add-on services like laundry or organising if needed. Once you have entered all the necessary details, browse and select a cleaner. You will see a list of available taskers. Compare them based on their hourly rates, customer reviews, ratings, and the number of completed cleaning tasks. Availability is also crucial, so take note of which taskers can accommodate your schedule. Next, view a tasker's profile by clicking on any tasker that interests you. This will provide you with more details about their cleaning experience, including reviews from past clients. Take your time to assess their qualifications and feedback to ensure you choose the right person for the job. Select the tasker you want to hire by clicking the select button next to their profile. This action will prompt you to schedule the cleaning. Choose a date and time that fits your schedule based on the tasker's availability. Confirm that the selected time works for you before proceeding. Finally, confirm the booking. Review all the details you have entered, ensuring everything is correct. If necessary, update your payment method at this stage. Once you have verified all information, click the confirm and chat button to complete the booking process. You should receive a notification confirming your appointment shortly after. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.